Very dope. I think people are really gonna like these more than some of the past releases.
Subscribe. You just sneak this in. You gotta hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, this is my first pair of shoes. I haven't had a pair of shoes Soul Squad. Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. We're back at it with another sneaker unboxing video. I've been trying to put out vlogs and sneakers and all that stuff to get a good mix, but today we're back at it with another sneaker unboxing. Today we have the Nike Dunk High Midnight Navy. Almost forgot it. Got it? Yeah, before we get into the video and take a look at these shoes, make sure to check out some of the other videos. We're on the grind to 500. We're like at 484, so thank you guys so much for all your support. If you view the video, if you like the video, if you leave a comment, thank you so much. I appreciate it all so much. But yeah, so the Nike Dunk High Midnight Navy colorway. We get the regular red box with the white Nike logo, flip open lid. You guys a little tour of the box right there and a close-up on the size tag right there. And yeah, we're very lucky to hit these. We hit on the Nike Reserve, and that it just like goes so fast with dunks and stuff. You may have a little better chance on the Jordans, but dunks, it's gone very quickly. But a size 9.5, so very, very good. And dunks dropped in 1985. Peter Moore designed them. I'm trying to get everything in there. But yeah, so as always, I will give you guys first look. And a quick question, I can't see them. There's like the flash thing that blocks the screen, so I can't see it. But do you guys prefer dunk highs or dunk lows? But let's go ahead and see these. Okay, definitely a cleaner colorway than I thought. The white really looks nice against the Midnight Navy. But yeah, very dope. I think people are really gonna like these more than some of the past releases. Even though they are a high, I know a lot of people don't like the high, but man, these are definitely clean. So, jumping right in, no extra laces, no special gifts or items in the shoe. I didn't expect those at all, but very clean. The leather is the same, so for those of you who don't like the regular Nike Dunk Low leather or the Nike Dunk High leather, this is the same, and it is going to give you that harsh crease on the toe box, which I don't like. Some of you like, some of you don't, but you could definitely throw in a crease protector. Actually, these are the UNC Dunk Lows, and I'll give you guys a close-up. These were still worn with a crease protector, and I'm not sure if it's picking up that good, but these were worn with crease protectors, and these still crease very harshly. Just want to let you guys know that, because I know some of you, if you're gonna spend however much on a shoe, you want to know that the quality is good and you will get your money's worth out of it. But yeah, so I guess we should dive into some of these details. Starting from the bottom, Midnight Navy outsole, nothing too crazy, brand new. White midsole going along the whole shoe. And the upper is where we get to see the flow of the Midnight Navy mixed with the white. I don't feel like there's too much of one color at all. I feel like it was mixed very well. Midnight Navy looks good. Let me bring out the Midnight Navy one so you guys could get a comparison. Of course, this leather is smooth leather and this is a suede, so the color just might be different because of that, but there is a little difference. Yeah, so we are laced up already with some Midnight Navy laces. The tongue is white and the tongue tag is white with the Midnight Navy Nike logo on it. Insole is blue and it has the orange Nike logo. If anybody knows why the Nike logo on the inside of the insole is orange, please let me know. I'm just interested in that. I would think it'd be like white to go against the Midnight Navy insole. But yeah, leather's not too bad. The wings, you can unlace them and let them hang. Do you guys prefer to let them hang? I prefer to let them hang. I think it just looks a little cooler like that. But everyone can do it how they would like to. But other than that, The shoe is quite simple, clean cut, definitely gonna look good in the winter. I've seen a lot of people like these because the colorway. And yeah, definitely clean. I really don't have no complaints on the shoe at all. I kind of feel like I went through the shoe pretty quick. Is this speed run? But I have a lot of I have the vlog which is coming out soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And then we have the undefeated pack, the Sakai waffles I still have to put out, Seafoams, which is very late, but I'm just gonna put it out anyways. But yeah, let me know your guys' favorite aspect of this dunk. Is it because it's a high? Is it because of the colorway? Are you gonna switch the laces? But yeah, Soul Squad, thank you so much for watching today. We're still on the road to 500. We're so close. We're on the grind. So thank you to everyone who has stuck with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. But if you guys want to keep up with us, check out Akame Kicks LV on Instagram, Kicked Out LV on Instagram, Jordan in Vegas on Instagram. And yeah, till next time, have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. And let me know what you guys would rate these in the comments. Till then, see ya. Yeah, I kind of felt like I was speedrunning. I don't know why. But energy's good. You gotta have that energy going into the video, man. I think I'm gonna get ice cream now. Cody with the Nike socks to match the Yeezy slides. I thought someone was gonna say something else.
Guys, it's not the library?
No, it is not
What is
the
this?
library.
Oh, where's the library?
It's over here.